me try to respond to this question this way. Whenever we go and buy a product or a service, we always have certain quality check parameters. In the same angle, I'm sure that creativity should also have some quality checks. Otherwise, it doesn't probably be eligible to be called as a creativity. So from that angle, I would say there are four parameters which I always advocate. And I got this from a very, very interesting book, which I actually read long time back, and which I also advocate in my organization. These four parameters are creativity. First of all, should be disciplined. You cannot do something creative which actually violates the disciplinary aspects of a system or an organization. That cannot be a creativity at all for me. It could be business, it could be individual creativity for that matter. Second, creativity should be explorative, right? It should open windows for multiple options. You cannot call something as creativity and then it confines the thought process in one particular thing, and it shuts the door for all other parameters in an organization. You say that this is a creative output, and if you don't allow the employees to give feedback, and if you don't allow your employees to probably add more value to that, then I don't want to call that as to be a creative thing, because then that creativity will die, right? So that's not a creativity for me. And the third is, for me, creativity should be productive, right? Somebody can say that I am creative and jump upside down from a high building. Yes, it is creative. Everybody will watch. It's a spectacular thing to watch. But what is the use of that creativity? He's going to damage himself, and he's going to damage the entire environment around him. So it has to be productive, right? That's the third point. And for me, the most important thing, and particularly when you're talking about the green environment, the green revolution and everything, creativity should be non-exploitative. Okay, I can come out with an excellent creative product, okay, which can be a low cost, which can add a significant value to 50% of the target customers. But if it hampers 50% of my environment, my future will not survive. Today we are talking about not only profitable organization, but also about sustainable, purpose-driven organizations. Companies which are focusing only on profit are not going to sustain in long run. Companies which are focusing on purpose and long-term sustainability will always have a significant share value in the markets to come and the years to come. So from that angle, if you're really talking about creativity, all these four check parameters are very, very essential for calling something as creative, and also for calling something as productive creativity, so that it adds meaning and value to the organization.